Hi, hello everyone. Today I will show you how to check journal list index in Scopus. The first one, you have to go to library website. And next, click on Research Data Management link. Okay, so this is website for research data management. And click on journal list. And scroll down to find journal list Scopus. Click on that. And click here. Okay, so from the list, to find the journals, just Ctrl F and type the journal that you are looking for. For example, I search for PLOS ONE. And yes, I found that PLOS ONE is indexed in Scopus. Lastly, please bear in mind that this journal list is taken from Scopus website, latest at October 2019. That's all from me. Thank you.